Hello and welcome to TechTalk. In today's episode, we are diving into the world of scripting languages. Specifically, we are comparing VBScript and PowerShell, which are the main used scripting languages for packaging. Whether you're a seasoned programmer or just starting out, this video is your guide to understanding those powerful tools. So let's get started. First up, VBScript. It's a lightweight scripting language by Microsoft, primarily for automating administrative tasks in Windows environment. It's procedural and shares syntax similarities to Visual Basic because it is Visual Basic scripting. Now here's a short example of a VBScript. Notice how it executes code line by line and stores scripts in plain text files with a VBScript extension, a .vbs. In this particular example, we are trying to copy a specific file to multiple subfolders. So the first thing first, we said please resume if you ever caught an error during the execution of the script. We are also going to define a constant called overwrite existing equals true. In case the file is found, we will overwrite it. Now our file to copy is at a random place, right? We are going to copy a JPEG and we need to get all these subfolders, for example, from my personal profile under new folder 2. Now this is a subroutine, right? We are going to show all the subfolders under this folder, and for each subfolder we are going to copy the file, right? So this file to copy, this one, to all the paths in the subfolder we found, overwriting the existing file. As you can see, we are also using the object FSO. Of course, you can name it however you want, but this is the object which is going to help us to copy the files or actually perform the copy procedure. VBScript has multiple objects that you can use with different properties and actions that they can take. Key features of VBScript include variables and constants for data storage, a range of operators for data manipulation, control structures like if, then, else, and loops, custom functions and procedures. Plus, it has built-in objects for file operations and database connectivity, as I previously mentioned. VBScript also includes structured error handling with the on-error statement, as I previously stated. Remember, good scripting involves explicit variable declarations, ample comments, error handling routines, and code modularization. But times have changed. Enter PowerShell, Microsoft's powerful scripting language for modern IT environments. PowerShell is a task-based and object-oriented running on the .NET framework. It combines scripting with command line functionality, creating a versatile toolset. PowerShell scripts are saved with a .ps1 extension, and these are made out of commandlets. These commandlets can be combined for powerful scripting, and you can notice the verb-noun naming convention, making it more readable. For example, I have this script here. As you can see, variables are defined with the $sign. So I can create a new variable, variable1, and I can assign directly a certain value to it, like 1, 2, 3. I can also say the variable is going to contain the name Alex, and so forth and so on. So this is how you declare variables. Now when it comes to commandlets, like I previously mentioned, these marked in blue are the commandlets. If you search on the Microsoft website, you have tons of commandlets available for everything, from Windows administration to Azure tasks and so forth and so on. And each commandlet has a different set of properties, functions, and anything else that you can use. So in this example, I want to go and get all the child items of the HKey users registry hive, right? And in that object, I want to filter all the child names, right, that have been stored by the PowerShell to match this specific combination, right? This is basically just ignoring the anti-system authority accounts which are present in the HKey users registry hive. Then for each user that we find in this users object, we are going to get its name. Now we know that each and every user have a specific app data path or local app data path, and in this case we are going to use the HKey current user ID, right, the child name, software, Microsoft, current version, shell folders, right. We are going to search for the app data in the shell folders, right, and we are going to expand the property. Then our VLC path, we are going to combine it with the previously found object. Now what this means, for example, if I open up my app data folder and go to VLC, this is the exact folder we are searching for. But why are we doing this script? Well, this script is technically designed to delete all the preferences in your VLC media player during the uninstallation of your application of the VLC. Now each and every user has a different app data profile, right? For example, you see I have here C users, users, app data, roaming, VLC. If we go into C users, there are definitely more here, and there can be more users which are using the same computer, right? Of course, this is not the only way you can do this. There are multiple ways in which you can get all the paths which are available, but this is just an example for the purposes of this tutorial. Okay, so I mentioned that we are going to join the paths, and we are going to join the paths again. For example, let's say I have here test.txt, and this will be at the end my path here in VLCR path. Good. Now we are going to test if this path exists by using the test path commandlet. Then we are going to write some things in the console, something like this is the user ID, we have found the test file, we are deleting it. We are going to actually remove the item by using the remove item commandlet, right, by using this path that we designed here, and we are going to give it the force test attribute. Then we are going to say again in the host, yeah, this has been deleted, and we are going to make it look nice, and that's pretty much it. So PowerShell's strengths include an object-oriented approach, extensive module support, a powerful pipeline feature for data manipulation, and integration with .NET for access to a wide range of APIs. To compare, PowerShell offers better readability, a robust mode ecosystem, and superior data processing capabilities. While VBScript was once popular, PowerShell now leads in modern IT environments. That's it for today's episode. Whether you choose VBScript for its simplicity or PowerShell for its advanced features, both play vital roles in scripting and automation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, keep coding.